Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening the file you want to convert, then press Ctrl+P or pick File and Print. Once the print dialog appears, choose Microsoft Print to PDF as your printer. This routes output to a PDF file instead of a physical device. Make sure the correct pages, orientation, and paper size are set. If you need only certain pages, enter the page range. Once done, click Print and you'll be prompted to name and choose a save location for the PDF file. After selecting Microsoft Print to PDF, inspect settings to control output quality and layout. For multi-page documents, enter a specific page range. For images, choose landscape or portrait and adjust scaling to avoid clipping. If a Properties or Preferences button appears, use it to change resolution or color settings. This affects file size and readability. When settings are correct, click Print, then in the Save as dialog type a file name. Pick a folder and click Save. The system writes the PDF to your chosen location. Open the PDF you just created to confirm every page and layout looks right. Print again with adjusted settings if needed. If Microsoft Print to PDF is not listed, go to Control Panel Devices and Printers, Add a Printer, then choose Add a Local Printer and select Microsoft Print to PDF from the list. Restart your app afterward. If errors persist, remove and reinstall the virtual printer or run Windows, Update, and Restart. Often fixes missing drivers or permission issues that block PDF creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.